A long time coming, we are very, very excited to have Booker High School's renovation occurring for our theater.
The overall scope of the project was we had a renovation of the existing auditorium. The buildings behind me are the new building, that's the new building 8. Now, 10 years later, we're doing the major renovations to bring it up to district standard, to VPA Performing Arts standard.
We're going to have industry standards to make sure that our kids are competitive, because we're going to be teaching as they are learning to perfect their skills in the area of art.
And so with that, we've got pretty much a complete gut of the interior of the building. I mean, as you can see from the structure, part of the facade of the building being removed, we're going to tie into the existing building and add on with a new studio theater, green room, new lobby, new concession area. We're adding seating, number one, and then it's going to be balcony seating. As you can see, the steel framing is installed now, is currently installed for the balcony seating.
Our students will have an opportunity for creativity, for exposure, for awareness and problem solving, to utilize this space so they get real live connections on what it's going to be like in the real world.
For the past 20 plus years, they've been using 2 dressing rooms as classrooms. So as the students try to learn the academic curriculum of the performing arts, they were literally using the dressing rooms as classroom spaces, desks and everything, and then those rooms would double as dressing rooms for performances and sometimes throughout the day. So the great thing is that in this project, we're able to build 2 new classrooms so that those dressing rooms could truly be dressing rooms.
This program will benefit all of our students in the Visual Performing Arts program up under the 5 different disciplines. We have dance, we have music, we have film and animation, we have theater and visual arts. Just the opening and the grand entry, when you walk in, you will know that you are at the state-of-the-art facility. Our teachers, our students are excited about the possibilities, and we cannot wait. So thank you so much. Another great construction area here in Sarasota County School System.